Do you own one of these? An iPhone? Chances are that you do, because Apple sells millions of these things every single year. And last year, they took away the headphone jack.
Courage.
But why aren't you doing anything to fix that? If you're still using wired headphones, you're doing it way wrong. Don't use this stupid dongle, and don't lose it, and then pay $9 for another one. Just buy wireless headphones. It makes way more sense. If you bought an iPhone in the last couple years, chances are you have more than one of these, a lightning cable. If you bought a Mac, then you probably have another one. And if you bought an iPad, you probably have another one. So, it makes sense to buy wireless headphones that charge with the same cable as your stupid iPhone. That's why buying the Beats X makes the most sense. Alright, let's go inside and talk about this some more. Alright, let's talk about the Beats X. Honestly, there's only 3 reasons why you should even consider buying the Beats X. Reason number 1, they act and function like normal headphones. They're basically just regular earbuds but without the wire. The process of getting them paired to your phone is extremely easy. There's nothing to get acclimated to or get used to. You really just hold down the button on the headphones, the prompt pops up on your phone, you hit connect, and you're done. Literally anyone can do it. It's dead simple, and I think that's what most people want from headphones. If you're gonna switch to Bluetooth headphones, you don't wanna have to learn something new or deal with a complicated pairing process. And the Beats X, in combination with the iPhone, takes all that complication away. If you're coming over from using regular headphones, you're gonna feel right at home, except for without the part of dragging your phone off the desk by accident. I'm not the only person that does that, right? Reason number 2. So the price is pretty great relative to other wireless headphones. You can usually find the Beats X on sale for around $100, but I've seen them go as low as $70 before. Even at their regular retail price of $150, they're pretty competitive with things like the Airpods. I've seen them on sale recently. I'll link 1 or 2 that I can find down below. So I think it just makes sense to upgrade. For just a little bit more money than other wired headphones, you can get a lot more convenience. I've seen other reviews of the Beats X where people talk about audio quality, and I really think that there's no point. Most people who use regular wired headphones, especially ones that come in the box with their phone, are gonna think these sound great. If you're listening to podcasts or regular compressed streamed music, these are gonna be perfect. So if you're thinking about buying these or you're thinking about upgrading, don't think you're paying more money for audio quality. You're paying more money because there's no wires. That's really what it comes down to. Number 3 is that wires are just kind of annoying. They get tangled up, and in 2018, when people take their phone in and out of their pocket hundreds of times every single day, it just makes sense to not have a cord attached to your headphones. That's really what it comes down to. When you're going to the gym, getting up from your desk, or getting in and out of your car, not having wires is a nice convenience, and it's definitely something that I've enjoyed after having these headphones for about a year. So there are a few other things about the Beats X that I really enjoy. Number 1 is that the earbuds are magnetic. So you can clip them around your neck and just let them hang down, or you can put them around behind your neck like this. I really like having this feature, and it's definitely something that I'm gonna look for when I buy headphones again in the future. There's also an inline remote, so you can turn the volume up and down, which I think is a must. You can skip songs and reverse as well. It has a microphone built in too, so you can use it to take phone calls or talk to Siri if you still use that. But does anyone really use Siri anymore anyway? I mean, I don't use Siri ever, but it's there if it's something that you still use. So maybe the only standout feature about the Beats X is fast charging. So you can charge the Beats X from 0% to 2 hours of playback in just 5 minutes. And I think that's definitely something that has to be mentioned. So like I said, it uses the same cable as your iPhone. So no matter where you are, you're probably ready to charge these up. I think this feature really makes them much more close to wired headphones, because of course wired headphones don't have to be charged at all. But with the Beats X, just 5 minutes and you're ready to use them again. Also, in my experience, you can charge them all the way to 100% in about 30 minutes. So it really takes almost no time. After a year of using these, I'm extremely happy. It's definitely been worth the $100 that I spent on them, and I don't think that I will ever go back to using wired headphones. Of course, I do still have some wired headphones that are nicer and larger and go over my ears, but in a normal day-to-day situation, these are perfect. Hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and be sure to comment below, like the video, or subscribe, and tell other people about this video. If they're looking to buy wireless headphones, maybe it'll help them buy something that doesn't suck. All right, peace.